Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain issues on Motorola Moto G17 Power. So first, go into the settings. Right here, find battery settings, and we have the battery usage that you can check. Then we have battery saver, and here enable the battery saver. I will keep it disabled because it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then go into the display here and lower the brightness level, or just use adaptive brightness right here. I'll just lower it. Here you have the dark theme that I recommend keeping on because it saves battery. Then you can go down into the screen timeout and lower it to around 1 minute. Then scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not using, for example, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Also, you can here close all the background apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.